Earth's surface, we're used to 1 atmosphere of pressure. As we descend, the pressure increases by another atmosphere every 10 metres, and it soon adds up.
So we're just approaching 1 kilometre deep. The pressure outside there is now, what, 100 atmospheres? That's higher than the atmospheric pressure on the surface of Venus. Without knowing, if you were asked the question, could life exist down here, 100 atmospheres, cold, dark, no sign of sunlight at all, it's pitch black there, you would say no. Well, I would say no.
But the depths of the ocean are not lifeless. Illuminated by Alvin's lights, we find oases of life in the deserts of the ocean floor.
My depth is 2013, 2013, EV neutral trim.
So we've landed after about an hour of descent. We've just stopped in the most incredible place.
This underwater city is one of the most bizarre environments on our planet. It's built around a hydrothermal vent, a volcanic opening in the Earth's crust that pumps out clouds of sulphurous chemicals and water heated to nearly 300 Celsius. And somehow, life has found a way to thrive in these most extreme conditions.
Look at that! It's not only just bacterial blobs, it's real complex organisms. Alien, I want to say that word, alien environment. It really is alien to us. For me, the fascinating thing about finding life down here is that the conditions on the deep ocean floor are more similar in many ways to the conditions on worlds hundreds of millions of kilometres away out there in the solar system than they are to the conditions just 2 kilometres above my head on the Earth's surface. You know, it's incredibly dark, there's no sunlight, there's a brutal mixture of hot and cold water and just, well, rock and minerals. So if life can not only survive but even flourish in these conditions, then you've got to feel that it's much more likely that life can also survive and flourish out there in the solar system.